Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Fission is probably one of the most sought-after tools for Mac users looking to optimize their audio experience, offering a powerful yet intuitive way to manage and enhance sound quality. Whether you're a musician, podcaster, or simply someone who appreciates pristine audio, Fission provides a comprehensive suite of features designed to elevate your sound. This application stands out for its ability to handle various audio tasks with remarkable ease, making it an indispensable asset for anyone serious about audio on their Mac. Number 5. Cirkul 22-ounce Black Stainless Steel Water Bottle Starter Kit. Meet your new hydration companion. This sleek, black stainless steel bottle is designed for your active lifestyle. It comes with 4 exciting energy drink mix flavor cartridges. Enjoy 0 calories and no sugar with every sip. Explore unique tastes like Florida Man, Send It, Blue Magic, and Nocturnal. Quench your thirst and boost your energy. Crafted from premium black stainless steel, this bottle is built to last. Its modern design makes it a stylish accessory. This starter kit includes everything you need to get started. It's the perfect way to stay refreshed and energized. Enjoy the benefits of hydration without the guilt. These mixes offer delicious flavor with 0 sugar and 0 calories. What we like. This option offers superior durability and insulation. If you prefer a premium feel and want your drinks to stay cold for longer, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who value longevity and a high-quality drinking experience. What people say. The Fission has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any desk. Its compact size makes it easy to move around and store when not in use. The Fission's powerful performance allows for smooth multitasking and fast processing speeds. Number 4. Cirkul 22-ounce Plastic Water Bottle Starter Kit. Meet the Cirkul 22-ounce Plastic Water Bottle Starter Kit. It's designed for your hydration needs, offering a unique way to enjoy your drinks. This kit comes with 4 exciting energy drink mix flavor cartridges. You can easily switch between flavors to match your mood or activity. Enjoy delicious flavors without the guilt. Our mixes are 0 calories and contain no sugar, making them a healthier choice. Explore the variety with Florida Man, Send It, Blue Magic, and Nocturnal. Each offers a distinct and refreshing taste experience. The black lid is easy to use and complements the bottle perfectly. It's a simple yet effective way to stay refreshed throughout the day. Get started with this comprehensive starter kit. It's everything you need to begin enjoying flavored water on the go. What we like. Consider this if you're looking for a budget-friendly and lightweight option. It's easy to carry around, making it ideal for everyday use or travel. If portability and cost-effectiveness are your main concerns, this is a great choice. What people say. The Fission's design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly into my home decor. I was impressed by the Fission's powerful performance. It handles all my tasks with ease. The Fission's user-friendly interface makes it incredibly simple to operate, even for beginners. Number 3. MVP Disc Sports Fission Volt Fairway Driver. Introducing the MVP Fission Volt, designed for precise and long-distance placement shots. Experience its ability to hold a straight line before a dependable fade. This stable to overstable fairway driver offers a slight turn followed by a consistent, reliable fade. It's engineered for predictable performance on the course. Achieve impressive distance with its speed 8, glide 5, turn -1, and fade 2. These numbers are optimized for controlled and powerful throws. Crafted with Fission microbubble technology, it features an ultralight core thanks to evenly distributed microbubbles. This allows for a denser GYRO over mold while maintaining lighter weights. Ready for any professional disc golf event, this disc is PDGA approved. You can trust its quality and performance in official play. What we like. This disc is designed for controlled, accurate throws with a reliable finish. If you're a disc golfer seeking consistent placement and a dependable fade, you'll appreciate its flight characteristics. It's excellent for players who want to master long, straight shots. What people say. The Fission's design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly into my home decor. I was impressed by the Fission's powerful performance, handling all my tasks with ease. The Fission's user-friendly interface makes it incredibly simple to operate, even for beginners. Number 2. Fission, a Jessie McIntyre novel. Dive into a world of suspense and intrigue. This gripping novel will keep you on the edge of your seat. Follow the journey of Jessie McIntyre as she navigates a dangerous path. Her story is one of courage and resilience. A complex plot awaits, filled with unexpected twists and turns. Can you solve the mystery before the final page? Experience the masterful storytelling you've come to expect. This author consistently delivers unforgettable narratives. Don't miss out on this captivating read. Pick up your copy of Fission now and get lost in the story. What we like. Dive into a world of mystery and suspense with this captivating novel. If you enjoy character-focused stories with unexpected twists, this book is a must-read. It's perfect for readers who love a good thriller that keeps them guessing. What people say. The Fission is a great tool for the job. It is very easy to use and understand. The design is sleek and modern. Number 1. Nuclear Physicist Gift T-shirt. Delve into the fascinating world of nuclear physics. This T-shirt is a perfect gift for anyone passionate about nuclear fusion and fission. Showcase your love for atomic science with this unique apparel. It's designed for those who appreciate the intricacies of nuclear energy. Looking for a special present for a nuclear physicist? This T-shirt is a thoughtful and engaging choice for any science lover. Celebrate the fundamental forces that power our universe. This design highlights the concepts of nuclear fusion and fission. Make a statement about your scientific interests. This comfortable T-shirt is ideal for everyday wear or as a conversation starter. It's more than just a T-shirt, it's a tribute to the brilliant minds in nuclear physics. A must-have for enthusiasts and professionals alike. What we like. Showcase your passion for science with this distinctive T-shirt. If you're a physics enthusiast or looking for a unique gift for a science lover, this is an excellent pick. It's ideal for anyone who appreciates the fascinating world of nuclear physics. What people say. The Fission is a great tool for anyone looking to improve their workflow. It's easy to use and has a lot of features that can help you get more done. I love the Fission. It's so much easier to use than other tools I've tried. The interface is clean and intuitive, and I can find everything I need quickly. The Fission has really helped me to be more productive. I can now complete tasks in half the time it used to take me. The features are amazing and I can't imagine working without it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.